We got a RHINO DB150. This is your 3-point rear mount rotary mower. Hit hydraulics in and out, hit hydraulics up. I think this thing right here, this cylinder is about 30 inches. It should extend out about 30 inches more, okay? And it's 3-point hitch. Like category 2 pins, R3, you got a sleeve on there. Or if not, you can put what you want in there. Got 3 hoses on it here. No, it's got 3. You've got, this goes up. This one hose will bring it up, and this cylinder up, and it'll come down on its own. It's got an air vent in it. And then these other 2 hoses is going to push this thing in and out, I think. This got a hydraulic motor on it here. So you may need a PTO to put on this pump right here. Well, it's got plug-ins on it, but I think you need to put a PTO shaft right here, guys. Right there. That probably runs off a PTO. There's your hydraulics. You can set these up in many ways. In many ways. There's your jack stand on it. Looks like. It's got some non-factory weld on it. Right there. They've done a good job. I'm going to sell it as is because I didn't have any way to hook it up.